Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, man, we're talking about a special collaboration between Jordan brand and a special bike rider by the name of Nigel Sylvester. Jordan has been digging in they bag of tricks, and they've been coming out with a lot of dope shoes this year, but this one might be one of the best to come out this year. Everybody love retro ones, and I was able to get my hands on a pair. Shout out to my man Carl. I'll leave his information in the description below so you guys can hit him up if you guys need some sneakers, anything like that. He's the plug. As you can see, every time this channel gets something exclusive, not every time, but most of the time when this channel gets something exclusive, it's coming from his closet, man. So hit him up if you guys want to get some shoes or whatever. But before we get into the shoe, I'm gonna need for you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified when we drop new content to the channel. You know, check us out, man. We got a bunch of different stuff on this channel, man. We do a lot of music stuff, man, hip hop. We do boxing reviews, man. We got a lot of big boxing reviews coming up, man. A lot of big fights coming up, so we'll definitely be talking about that on this channel, man. And also, if you guys want to reach out to us on our social media accounts, on Instagram and on Twitter, you guys can hit us up at PENNY_4YT. That's on Instagram and on Twitter. But enough with the talking. Let's get into the shoe. Here you guys have it. Retro 1 / Nigel Sylvester, man. Dope collaboration. Another one from Jordan brand. You can see it got the red sole. Just trying to show you everything. Show you the back. Let's get into the shoe, man. Let's talk about it, man. First and foremost, as you can see right here, the toe area, got the Nike swoosh here. That's definitely something different that all retro ones don't have. Has that great tumble leather, man. We call this that shattered backboard leather, man. This is great quality leather right here, man. As you can see, the shoe has scuffs all over the shoe on both shoes, because when you ride a lot of skateboards, you tend to scuff up your shoes and stuff like that. You ride bikes, skateboards, or whatever, you scuff up your shoes. As you can see, it was a swoosh here, but it got ripped off from riding bikes and stuff like that. Basically, what they were trying to duplicate was like a messed up shoe from riding bikes. So I feel they did a pretty good job with it, man. As you can see, the Air Jordan logo is whited out. On the inside, you have the gray swoosh that's still there. Black mesh tongue, Nike Air black and red. On the inside, it says Jordan Biking Co. 2017 in there, man. Pretty much scuffs all over the shoe. You got a scuff there, you got a scuff here. Yellowing from actually cleaning the shoe a lot, man. This type of stuff happens if you have an old shoe and you clean it up a lot. It tends to turn yellow. It's definitely a dope shoe, man. I think, you know, I think Jordan brand is doing a great job of coming out with a lot of different color ones, but the problem, I think they killing the retro one. They putting the retro one into the ground, man. I don't think they can keep doing this for another year. Pretty much came up with like 40-50 pair of retro ones this year, man. But I like the collaboration they've been coming out with, man. It's been pretty hard to get your hands on a pair. Once again, shout out to my man Carl. It's been pretty hard to definitely get your hands on a pair, but you know, when you get them in your hands, man, it's definitely some good quality stuff, man. But I like it, man. Let me know what you guys think, man. Leave it in the comments below, man. I definitely think that this is a clean shoe you could do with, man. You could do a couple things, but all retro ones you could do a couple things. You could do jeans, shorts, you could wear it with a suit, you could wear it formal, dress down, dress up, however you want to do it, man. Because this shoe has a bunch of different feels to it, man. But it's definitely a shoe I would have loved to have in my collection, man. How about you, man? If you would have loved to have this shoe in your collection, leave it in the comments below, man. But you know what time it is, man. I showed y'all everything about the shoe. I showed y'all the box. I showed y'all everything. So with that being said, it's time for me to rank this shoe, man. So you already know how we do it. We do it with the penny system, because you know we penny for your thoughts. So with that being said, I give this shoe it's a tough shoe, man. I'm really feeling the swoosh here on the toe box. But gotta give this shoe 4 out of 5 pennies, man. 4 out of 5 pennies, man, because you can do multiple different things with it. Like I mentioned, man, you can do a lot of different things with this shoe, man. But if you disagree with what I'm saying, leave it in the comments below. I answer all comments below, man. If you want to talk about anything, I am definitely answering the comments below, man. Like this video, share this video, man. Let people know the type of quality of videos and stuff that we bring into this channel, man. Give our channel a shot, man. We're upstart. We're just trying to, get things popping, man. They bring shoes to this channel that a lot of people don't have, man. So with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.